Right, situation yepanapa isikutambirika. Ndikunzwa latest update yezvinhu maitikira zviri kuita. Zimbabwe's cross-border war trapped at Beightbridge. It's Sunday morning, 12 April 2026, and I'm at the Beitbridge border post on Zimbabwe's side. What should be a routine crossing is turned into a standstill. A fleet of buses is trapped, engines off, passengers milling around in frustration. The cause an intensive luggage search operation by Zimura authorities. Canine units are sweeping through bags and officials are declaring goods on paper. It's a solid initiative, keeping track of goods, curbing smuggling, tightening security on the ground. It's chaos. Here's what actually happening. Luggage searches but make it destructive. Instead of using zips, travelers are watching their suitcases and groceries get slashed apart, especially Vanema Changan bag. For people who saved months for these goods, it's devastating. Declaration at a cow goods declaration is moving at a depressingly slow pace. One officer, dozens of buses, hundreds of bags. The math isn't working. Human cost, the queues for toilets are massive, especially for ladies. I feel for families traveling with children. They are tired, exhausted, and there is no shed or proper waiting area. Kids are crying, parents are stressed. Small business hit hardest. The runners and cross-border traders relax for now. Goods are being declared by the owner only, or they are seized if using runners to deliver goods to buses. You like to run a loss this time around. If you run a small business relying on this route, pause shipments if you can. I understand why Zim authorities are doing this. Tracking everything that crosses the border makes sense, but the process is leaving buses trapped for hours and creating a whole lot of commotion. The intention is good. The execution is hurting ordinary people. A few more declarations points, training on handling luggage and basic facilities for waiting passengers would change everything. Until then, Beitbridge remains a bottleneck, and today it feels like an honor to a water for cross-border travelers. As for me, it's almost 48 hours chilling by the border. Pagaipap, 48 hours, day and night, Mawan. So this is the situation. 48 hours. I mean 2 days. 2 days. Yes, 2 days for someone. Pagaipa. Update that children barefoot on wet concrete, pregnant mothers with no place to sit. This is Beitbridge right now. Hours of waiting, not enough shade to accommodate people. Street vendors selling cooked food are being chased. Hence, we must starve. The human costs of it. Pagashat. Ndo zidiko. My reasons but let me say it this way. Vanhu chaicho vari kunyatso benefita ne that route yega. Zvavo zvinhu vanongatopinza kare vatokula zvavo. Vatoziva vanongatitoziva noti but musokati nemuso, and those people havana time yekunyanya kusechwa like zviri kuitwa vanhu zveizvo zvese izvi. Cause vanenge vachinyatsoziva unotoziva kuti izvi zvanhinga zvibatwe zvikungopinda vakatoenda. Varomba ndo vacharamba vachinikina zviri kunzi parikudotwa strict, munhu atori nguo zvake achizvishandira vari mujobheki ndo panozongobuyonzi zvako ndo zviri kunyatsosechwa one by one. I'm not saying kuti zvakashata kuti zvinenge zvichisechwa, but pakuzoti varomba vacho ndo varamba vachingoomerwa neupenyu panoda kuongororwa ipapo. That's where my point is. Kuna vamwe vanhu vazhinji pepe mari kunzi ziri kutenderera. I understand, but tumari tushoma. Tumaranze tushoma tinoti chungotenderedzwa bepe hapana zvemari svino kuti tingatotaura. Vanhu vatota mari munowaziva that post here. Mune mutonyaza kuti ana ningi ndo vari kutora mari bepe. I don't know, maybe it's just an operation, but guys, ndo zvinhu zviri kuitika. munoitawo muchibvunza ma-updates ikoko kuti zvapapi because handifariri kuona kuti iwo munhu washanda wamwani ma7-10 years uchiunganidza zvinhu zvako kuti handauda kuzvicrossesa ndiendewo ndinowanawo pekutangira pari beta ndopo unosvika bhodha rakadaro zvinhu zviri kudeclare one by one unosvika pachikamu chekufamba uchitaura wega unozoro